everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in this week's video, I will be doing a velocity tutorial because like velocities have been really popular lately. Not that they've never been popular, they're just really popular now. I'll show an example of mine. I like to edit TXT because they're cool, so I'm just gonna like save a video from them and then save an editing audio, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I've got my sound and my video, and for like the next part, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to do a voiceover so you guys can't hear me. So you can't hear the music, sorry, what am I saying? So you guys can't hear the music and my voice, like them overlapping each other. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on to Video Star and you're gonna click your format. I usually do the second one, then click Select Song, and we're just gonna select. And then we click Add Import Video, add your video, and just like where you want it to start. So I'll do start here, and then yeah, the rest is just that. Then just import. You can just like fix it up a little bit, and the next parts I'll do with a voiceover. So then I click new and I click velocity, and I just use the keyframe button to make keyframes along the whole like video, and there's like indicators on the bottom to show you guys where the beat drops, but I just make them I just decide myself where to put them. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in a pattern. So the first little like keyframe is gonna be fast, which you do by going up. So going above the line means you're going fast. Going below the line means you're going slow. And I just like turn my screen. You don't need to really mind because I messed up on this part, but you're just gonna go in a pattern. So as you can see, it's going like up down, so you can kind of follow where I'm doing. Unfortunately, there aren't QR codes or like anything to give you guys like the settings. At least I don't think there is, but I'm just gonna fix it up, and I will tell you guys the next step after you finish doing this. And also make sure it's on better mixture. If you don't know how to do that, there's like a little running man on the bottom, and you just click that and then click better mixture. And by clicking better mixture, the velocity is much more smoother. And you also need to pay for some of the things I'm using, like the velocity especially. So I'm really sorry if you guys can't do this. I'll try to do another one on a different app like CapCut. So tell me guys if you guys want that tutorial. And after I fix all my keyframes and everything, and I have it according to my liking, I just click create at the top, so it like creates the video and just puts it all together. And this process does take a little bit of time, so just be patient because it takes a while. After it's finished, what you're gonna do is I'll just show you guys where the better mixture is. So in the velocity, it's like at the bottom right here, and here's how like the thing looks with better mixture. And I did this in kind of a rush, so it doesn't look that like good. But then what I do is I just cut out the end if it's like too long, because yeah. And after I like how it looks, I click on new, then re-effect, and then click flicker. And I don't want the flicker to be too too noticeable. So I put it down by just using the little slide thing, the little setting thing, and I put flicker on 3 times, and then I do zoom blur. So just a very low amount of zoom blur, because we don't want the whole like frame to be blurred. We just want like a little like blurry texture. And after I've finished that, here's how it looks. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to add my like ghost effect and everything. I'm just looking for it, but I'll put them up on the screen and I'll show you guys how to or when to add them. And then I just click on edit and multi-split, and I just split it where each beat drops. Try not to make small scenes, because that's what I did. Try to make like one big scene where the beat drops, because it's just going to be easier. And then you're going to screenshot the ghost effect QR code, and what you're going to do is you're going to go onto multi-layer, put it on 2 layers, so the same video on 2 layers, import the ghost QR code, and it will give like this ghost effect. And then you click create, then go back onto multi-layer and import just one of them, and go into hue shift, go onto keyframes, put the color to 0 and then color to 100, so the color like slides around, or not slides around, like it changes color. And then it should look something like this, and you can just merge the scenes if you want. And merging basically is like just putting them all together so it's one continuous clip instead of like multiple different ones. And then I just add the shake QR code, which I also put on the screen. And in like the beginning, you can just add that, and it will give like a little shake to your video. And then you can go ahead and save it to your camera roll. So after you've done that, I just go on to Font and add my QR code from there, even though I can do it on Video Star, but I just think it's way easier to do it on Font. Okay, after adding the watermark, what I'm going to do... Okay, so I'm going to put the link in the description box and the comments, and basically all you need to do is paste it into your notes and then use it. And then you pretty much just save it to your camera roll, and I will show you guys how the end result looks, but this is basically it. This is how I make them. Okay, so I finished with the velocity, and to show you guys how it looks, I will just quickly, here's how it looks. I'm not going to play the sound because I'll get copyrighted and it will be so loud. Whoa. Okay, so I hope you guys had a good look, but this is how it looks. And even though it's like not the best, it still does a pretty good job, and you can obviously adjust the settings to your liking and whatever you want to do. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.